Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about the problem relating break-even point analysis. So today I am going to share a problem regarding this. The problem is a firm incurs fixed cost of rupees 8,000 and variable cost of rupees 20,000 and its total sales result is rupees 30,000. Determine break-even point. So here we have to notice that as the question in the question is given the total variable cost and sales is the total sales. So yesterday we studied the break-even point in units. The equation where fixed cost divided by selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit. So here in this question we don't have the selling price per unit and the variable cost per unit. So how we can find out the break-even point? In this case there is another equation for break-even point in sales, that is the amount. Here we got the break-even point in amount. So their equation is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So here a new word is came, that is PV ratio. The full form of PV ratio is profit volume ratio. So profit and volume ratio denotes PV ratio. So how we can find out the PV ratio? PV ratio is equal to contribution by sales into 100. Contribution by sales into 100. Again we got another word, a new word, that is contribution. What is contribution? Contribution denotes profit. So in the marginal costing, what is contribution denotes is profit. So what is contribution? The definition of or the equation of contribution is sales minus variable cost. Sales minus variable cost. So how many equations we have studied today? That first of all, break-even point in sales, the equation is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. The new word came, that is PV ratio. Again PV ratio's equation is contribution by sales into 100 and the contributions equation is sales minus variable cost. Okay, so today 1, 2, 3. 3 equations we have studied here. So let's move to track the question. The question, for solving the question, I write the equation break-even point in sales is equal fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So first of all, so fixed cost they given in the question itself. Fixed cost is 8,000. Next we have to find out PV ratio. PV ratio equation contribution by sales into 100. So contribution, we have studied the equation contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. Sales is given here, sales is 30,000. Contribution, sales minus variable cost divided by sales into 100. So sales amount is 30,000 minus variable cost amount is 20,000 divided by total sales house 30,000. So 10,000 divided by 30,000 into 100. 100 divided by 3, 33.33 percentage, then percentage is important. So PV ratio we got 33.33 percentage. So the balance of the problem I am going to write here. So we find out the PV ratio, fixed cost we already in the question. PV ratio we find out 33.33%. So break-even point in sales, BEP in sales. We substitute all these factors in this equation. Fixed cost is 8,000 rupees divided by PV ratio 33.33 percentage. Percentage means divided by 100. Is equal to 8,000 into 100 divided by 33.33. Suppose 8,000 into 100 divided by 33.33. We will get approximately 24,000 rupees. So in this question, whenever the sales is become 24,000, the company is going to be at time break-even point. So this is the question. So once again I will tell how it is cracked this question. It's a simple one, simple question. So here, suppose if we get the variable cost is total variable cost and sales is total, we will use the equation for finding out break-even point, that is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. PV ratio is known as profit volume ratio. The equation of profit volume ratio, PV ratio, is equal to contribution by sales into 100. Contribution is again new word. Contribution's equation is sales minus variable cost. Here sales may be total sales minus total variable cost. Suppose if we get the selling price per unit and variable cost per unit, we can find out the contribution per unit also. Then contribution per unit is selling price per unit minus variable cost per unit divided by selling price per unit when we find out the PV ratio. So here the total is given, so we find out the PV ratio by using the total amount, that is sales minus variable cost divided by sales into 100. So get the PV ratio. PV ratio is we found as 33.33%. So we substituted the PV ratio and the fixed cost value already given in the question. That in the equation, break-even point in sales is fixed cost divided by PV ratio. So 8,000 divided by 33.33, that is percentage. That right we given in as percentage value here 33.33 divided by 100. So by calculating we will get 24,000 rupees.